Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you about our easy ecom integration feature. So on TranZact, we do have an easy ecom integration feature through which you can update the inventory or can keep your inventory in sync on TranZact and easy ecom in real time. So if you are using an easy ecom platform, first you need to go ahead and do API integration and then after share it with us. Once we will go ahead and connect your easy ecom profile with TranZact, then after you can use it. So please check here on easy ecom. This is one of my item on which there is a 200 stock. If I will go back to my TranZact, go to inventory, here in the same item MacBook Air there is 200 stock. So how this exact sync will happen after getting it integrated, then after any movement or any stock update which is happening on TranZact on any item. So first, if I talk about the master for the easy ecom setup, so item ID need to be same in the TranZact and easy ecom. Suppose if any item is created earlier in easy ecom and now you are adding it in TranZact, please keep the item ID same. If not, please check here is an option of easy ecom SKU ID UOM. So accordingly, you can go ahead and enter the same details on TranZact and can map it. Also, towards the easy ecom, if we will go ahead and say once you will get that integrated, then after two store will be created, easy ecom store and easy ecom to be pushed store. So here in the store to be pushed to easy ecom and easy ecom store. So integration and sync will only happen if the stock movement or if the stock is available in to be pushed to easy ecom store. So this is how the first setup will be done. After that, let me show you how this exact movement happens and how the syncing happens. Now on this particular item, there is 200 stock. What I will do, I will add 200 more. So I will add it in to be pushed. Just add 200. Click on save. I will go ahead and just approve my inventory. Once I will approve the inventory, then after my stock will get updated. Please check it's 400 now. If your inventory approval is on auto, it will get updated automatically. So all the movement like manual adjustment or through the inward, through the outward, whatsoever the stock is moving or stock is getting updated in the easy push to be pushed to easy ecom store, that can be synced. Now let me show you how the next step will work. So now you need to sync it with easy ecom. How? Right hand side, click on more advanced action. You will get an option of easy ecom sync. Click on this. Now you can pull the data from easy ecom and get that updated on TranZact, or you can send stock to easy ecom as well. You can use the batch wise data also and can send the batch also which you have assigned on TranZact. So click on send to easy ecom. Now this is the way how I will go ahead and send the stock in my easy ecom profile from TranZact. So it will take a little time. Let us wait and see once it will be get done. After syncing and after checking with each and every individual item, it provided me a pop-up that this record is eligible to push. That means one of the item is eligible to push for the stock update, and I can click on push to easy ecom. It takes a little time as because we have started sending your stock to easy ecom, because it goes ahead and check each and every individual item and their stock movement. So accordingly, once you will go ahead and push the data to easy ecom, it will again start buffering, and after that it will provide you a pop-up notification that this particular job is completed. So let me show you that. Once I sent it, I got a pop-up that your sent stock request is done, and here you can see push to easy ecom at this particular time. There is no error. One of the item have been pushed. I can go ahead and click on refresh job status and I can check job still in progress. That means that pushing is going on. I will go back to the easy ecom. Now this is one of the item in which this is being pushed. I will refresh this particular screen, search for that item. Now here I can go ahead and check the detail. Please check. Available stock is 400. Now let me quickly go ahead and refresh the job status again, and I will see job finished. Go back, click on close. I will refresh it again, and after refreshing it, I will search for that item again. So it is Mac. Click on search. Please now you can see the stock is 400. Same if I will reduce any stock here, and then after I will pull the data to TranZact, accordingly it will get updated. So here what I did, I will go ahead and click on 200, click on save. Now go back to Transact, and here I can pull data from Easy Ecom. It will do the same process and accordingly it will get updated. Let me show you that. Please check. Once I pulled the data from EasyEcom and I got to know that one of the item SKU ID is not mapping with the EasyEcom. So this is how you will get the error as well. So you need to make the correction and then after you can go ahead and pull the data from EasyEcom. So this is how our EasyEcom integration works. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and update on EasyEcom. Have a good day ahead.